are you? How are you?
That's a nice house.
We are looking at the squirrel. Yes, we had just came out of church and we are looking at the squirrel. Two squirrels.
There you
That
go.
I said they must be in love with each other. I know you must say nothing better to do with our time. Look at this squirrel though. I mean, he just was like all around us. Like he was literally running around our feet, everything when we came out of church. Isn't it something? I just thought I'd captivate this moment. It just goes to show whether you're big creatures, large or
You want to get
small,
them?
everybody wants
They
to
went up
feel
there.
like they belong.
Wasn't that
to
funny? How that was?
something
I've never
or
seen nothing like
someone.
that. They was rustling.
I never saw a squirrel swing.
Yeah.
We
Y'all
got
missed it.
squirrel
It was two
swing.
squirrels rustling. We were sitting here about to videotape it, and they just ran up there. They was wrestling in it.
On our way back to the city, on our way back, driving through the city of Philadelphia, on our way back home to the city. If you haven't already, folks, you need to subscribe to this channel. Yes, this is Raising 3 in Philly channel. You need to subscribe. Hit that button in the right hand corner of the screen. Do it now.
Oh yeah. Huh?
Be careful, 'cause it's a bumpy street.
So have you been to Philly? If you haven't, you need to visit us. You need to come to the city of brotherly love so we can show you around.
Yeah.
We have some very good areas and we have some bad areas.
Just watch this traffic, 'cause these throwing trucks.
I
They
think-
act like they don't see nobody.
This is actually a good area. You see that stop sign? You're gonna make a left. Thinking about my best friend, my best furry grandson Mason. Yes, that is Mason right there, folks. Yes. Isn't he cute? Playing with his toy. This is at my daughter's house in California. I miss Mason. Let's tell Mason to come into more of our videos. Mason. Mason.
Great. Great. How did it go for you? Great. Good. I need positive Can you just give me everything's good. I'll be right back, gentlemen.
Hey, Maurice. So,
It's crazy. I done did why they rappers. You know, we talking about cars at the same time.
If you're going to come in here and take my job, you got another thing coming for you. Shut up. I will burn this mother down with you.
Oh yeah.
Damn, we're always have no time.
Mason loves this stuff, y'all. Mason loves it.
I feel like I'm thirsty now.
So guys, I thought about the sea lions that's coming up. The sea lions, remember we was looking at them months ago. I was like, oh my gosh, now I'm thinking about all the animals that we've seen this year so far, which was a lot of animals. You will see them kind of, we are animal lovers. Yes, yes, our family, we are animal lovers. Proud of it.
Now, you know I ain't gonna give you no $5,000 out of my money.
no.
I don't know. But you're gonna stay here or you don't.
He's breathing, folks. He's breathing. He's fine. He's fine. He's resting because
Sorry.
Brandon then wore him out. Here's the culprit right here.
Goes a long way with me.
Oh, they feed him food. He's like, I want some more. You know he greedy. He grabbed his butt. Yeah. Oh, he's good his butt. Come back over. He just doesn't go over and come back. He said that was bipolar. Oh, look how fast he is. Man. Oh. Whoa. Look how fast that is. Oh, look at him. He's sliding.
I think it might actually be perfect. I'll be
Right. Greedy. He's still looking.
Our family favorite pet coming up. Patches. Patches, patches, patches. Woohoo! Come on out. Say hi to your friends.
Hey.
Here's his food, folks. We're about to give him
Hey.
how long he is. This is when we was in Seaworld in California, and
Seaworld.
we seen some
That's
beautiful
where we're at.
orcas.
Seaworld in California.
Orca whales.
San Diego, California.
And also dolphins.
That's where
too.
we're at, folks.
Dolphins coming up soon.
Those kids are moving, boy.
I can really go out there and just push all of them in first.
They're so cute. Look at his outfit. Look at that. They got the DJ there. DJ getting the dance. That's nice.
No, I think so. Because like all of them go with private, they don't want you to sit down there.
Yeah. But they can't have the people. Even the water thing is closed. Usually water be like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, look at that. That's what COVID-19 has done, folks. Let's close down. Well, the dolphin interaction at Adriana. Oh, really? We're going to the dolphin interaction. We'll see the world's most smartest sea creatures. Woohoo! Oh, there they go. They way over there. You see them? They way over there. I can see it with my camera. They're way over there.
So usually you can sit down too, but again, COVID.
Yeah, yeah.
They'll have a full show and they'll talk to the dolphin and they'll say whatever the name is. I don't know, Cindy, do this. And then they're like, yay. Damn, that's kind of sucks. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
COVID.
I still like seeing it. Oh, look at the dolphin. Look at the dolphin.
Because she's ready to perform.
Look at that dolphin. Look at what God created, man. Isn't it marvelous? It's a marvel. Really? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Two of them.
Oh, they're right there, otter.
It's an otter?
You know, on the
Oh,
wheel.
I see him.
Where?
On the side, right there.
Oh, yeah.
hard to see. I see dolphins all the time.
Yeah, I know. You out at sea like that, you be seeing them all, you know what I'm saying? Sharks, whales. You see any whales?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, no, I didn't see it, but I see him.
Oh, look, he just stood up. He just jumped up. You missed it.
Oh.
He just jumped
I
up.
seen him blow a thing. You know how they do the blow?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mhm.
What if they still do it? You just gotta like have each seat taken out.
I know they should do social distancing, but probably in order for them to keep it open, it's probably what they had to do. Shut this part down.
No, they might be open because the man's spraying the thing. Look, he's spraying.
Oh, well, I wish it was something over here we could ask.
They might be having a show, but they're getting ready for it.
Maybe we could go over here and ask.
I'll stay here if y'all want to. I'll stay here. Oh,
Oh, that's pretty.
oh, there they go. They talking. She's like, girl, get over here, girl. He like, yo.
They are some beautiful creatures.
They are, ain't they?
And I don't really like animals, but they pretty.
They're the smartest animals.
They're the smartest one, exactly. That's what I was telling Adriana.
They got higher IQ than me.
Oh, he just did a flip.
Oh, well, she's coming this way. Maybe we could just ask her. Is she coming over here?
Oh, oh, look, look, look.
Excuse me. Is there a show anytime soon or no because of COVID?
There's one at 4. Today I think that's our last one. We have one more at 4 here at Dolphin.
4?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very
We'll
much.
open the stadium at about 3:30.
3:30? Okay, thank you.
See?
So I'm
See?
gonna set the alarm because I'm gonna forget. I'm gonna set my alarm for 15, so wherever we at, we can start walking towards here.
Ooh, they're practicing, they jumping. See, I got it all on video. See, you gotta get it, Daybri, gotta get it.
You forget it without you talking. I never saw dolphins.
Alright, so do y'all wanna go since we're gonna come back for the dolphin show anyway?
Yeah.
Start walking.
Yeah, we'll start walking.
Oh wait, cause you see, like you enjoy it.
Mom.
Cause it's gonna be decent. They're gonna be like,
It's a dolphin.
you ever see one of those like prop?
What's that? That was no accident. No, they doing construction work.
No, that's an accident.
That was an accident? Oh my goodness.
See the bumper up.
The bumper on the street, the truck is up the darn thing.
Right, it ain't even heavy.
Yo, speed definitely played the role on this. That's right. Take pictures. That's right. Look, she taking pictures. I know that's right. Only on the streets of Philadelphia, I tell you. Be careful, Tian, going around.
Wow.
That is crazy. Look at that. That is crazy. It's wild. Well, speed definitely played a role.
Car slammed into the back of the truck, and then and they turned up the grass. See, I hate those cars. Like, I always be thinking it's a police car. You saw that white dude?
The white Jeep?
Yeah. And they be always, like, people be getting it in white colors thinking people don't think it's cops. Sometimes they probably don't.
Left turns and stuff, but
it's like one of them.
Right, but I feel as though it's safer in this lane because when you get over there, sometimes they don't see you, and see, I don't like that. That's just me.